So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in my last video I have completed up to question number 40. So today in this video I am going to start from question number 14. Once again I am repeating that I am going to solve the MCQ mathematics for SSLC students, those who are going to appear the final exam in the year 2025. So in my previous videos I have completed up to 40, right? I'm going to start from question number 41. So I would like to request all the students, those who are going to appear metric exams, metric final exam in the year 2025. So bring the MCQ. So open the MCQ, okay? Because I'm not going to write the questions so that it will be very lengthy otherwise. So I'll give the question number. Suppose I'll start from question number 14. So I'll write the question number. So you read, I would like to request all the students please read the questions carefully and try to understand the questions. I'll give the explanations, okay? Answer is already given, but no explanation is given. So I am going to give you the explanation so that it will be more clear for you, right? So question number 41, is it all right? Am I audible? Any comment? Am I audible? Okay. And my favorite students, Arpan, he is already in there. All right, he is writing, is everything is okay? All is fine. So I can start without any further delay, right? Question number 41. If the graph of one equation is given, that is quadratic equation, y is equal to x square minus 2x minus 35. Is the sound is okay? Is the sound is okay? Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible? Let me check. Okay, I am audible to everyone. There is no doubt about it. So if the graph y is equal to x square minus 2x 35, start the x-axis in the points 7, 0 and the y-axis minus 5, 0, then the zeros of the polynomial. So there's options are I'm going to write the options. 7 minus 5. Then option B is 0 minus 5. Option C is 0, 7. And option D is 0, 0. Now I'm going to draw the graph, right? This is the graph. X prime, that is the x-axis, y prime, that is the y-axis. All right. Now the graph cut x-axis at 7, 0. Okay. Suppose if we draw a graph, 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Okay, let me check the comment. Is everything okay or not? Okay, I think everything is okay. All right, so everything is all right. So here up to, we have to go up to minus 5. So this side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. The graph is like that. So it will cut here. Then 7 points. So these are the points. So what are the points? Minus 5, 0 here, 7, 0, 7, 0. So you have to find out the zeros of the polynomial, right? Zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x minus 35. So these are the points where the lines cut the x-axis. So this is the point 7, 0, 7. 1 0 is 7. Another 0 is minus 5. Here the value of x, you have to check the line cut in the x-axis. Which are the points? These are the 2 points. So the zeros are 7 and minus 5. So 7 and minus 5, this is the correct answer. 7 and minus 5. You have to check whether then how many points the graph cut the x-axis, not the y-axis, x-axis. So these are the points. So the value of x, this one here, y is 0, Here the value of x is minus 5, y is 0. So the zeros are 7 and minus 5. All right. So here correct answer is 1. Is it clear? I hope it's clear. Now we'll proceed to question number 42. Just I would like to request the students to read the question number 42. So question number 42, from the question number 42 onwards, the chapter will start pair of linear equations of two variables. This is one of our chapter from the textbooks, prescribed textbooks. There is one chapter called pair of linear equations of two variables. Now the questions will start from this particular chapter, right? Okay. All right. Question number 42. I'll start from question number 42 now. 42. Read the questions carefully. If the graphs of the two lines passes through the same point, then the system of equations representing the lines is number option coincident, number B consistent, number B is inconsistent, number C is consistent dependent, number D is inconsistent and dependent. So there are some conditions. So let me explain all the conditions. Suppose there are two general equations, a1 x plus b1 y plus c1. Okay, these are the general equations. I'm writing the general equation. Then I will write the formulas as well. x2 plus b2y plus c2, correct? So from these equations, we can find out if a1 by a2, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, if this condition a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, is this condition is fulfilled, then the equation will represent intersecting intersecting lines. Then second case, this is the case number 1 A. Case number B, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but also equal to c1 by c2, then these lines will represent coincident lines. Another condition is there, that is if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then it's a parallel line. Parallels lines are parallels. Okay, this is the two general form of equations. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we can consider intersecting line. That means these lines are intersecting at a point. So that means they have unique solution. Is it so I have to adjust the camera a little bit so that it will be more clear. Let me adjust the camera. Yeah. Now I think you can see, right? You can see it clearly. I have adjusted the camera. I have adjusted the camera. Let me check whether it is clear or not. Can you see? Okay. Oh, it's okay. One of the students are requesting that sir write on the middle. So I have just now adjusted the camera. So I think it is visible. Everyone can see. I am writing in the middle, right? So the second case, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 b2 is equal to c1, so then the lines are coincident. Meaning one line and then above there is another line. They are coincident with each other. So in that case, in that case, case number 1, so they are intersecting at a point, they have unique solution. Unique solution. There will be only one solution. Coincidence line means many infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. And the third case, case number C, A1 by B2 is equal to, then it is a parallel line. These two lines are parallel. The parallel lines will never intersect with each other. So that means it doesn't have any solutions. It doesn't have any solutions. The first case has unique solution. Second case, there is infinite many solution. So if there is a solution, that means they are consistent. If there is no solution, that means inconsistent. But the question is said, if the graph of the two lines passing through the same point, then the system of the equations passing through the same point, that means they are coincident. Coincident. One graph, this is the graph, and another graph is over there. So they are coincident. So there will be many solutions because they intersect with many points. These graphs are intersect with infinite numbers of points. So it has a many solutions. So if there is a solution, that means it is the consistent dependent. Why it is called dependent? So answer is C. C is the correct answer. That is consistent dependent. The same points, the graphs lies on the same point. That means they are consistent line. They are consistent line. Why they are independent? Because why they are dependent? Why they are dependent? Because it has many solutions. When there is a many solution, it is called dependent. And consistent means one graph is above. There will be same point. Many points are there. One graph above the other. So there will be a many points. So there will be a many solution. Infinite number of solution. And why it is called dependent? Because there are many solutions. That's why it is called dependent. So answer is C. Answer is C. Consistent dependent. Is it clear? I think it's clear. All right. Now we'll proceed to question number 43. Next, we'll solve question number 43. All right. So I'll start question number 43. Let me check 43. So I'll start in the middle so that it will be legible for all. 43. All right, 43. If the pair of equations, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 has A is no solution, B is one solution, C is two solution, D is infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. So pair of equations, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, 0. That means I'll draw the graph so it will be clear to you. Let me draw the graph. This is the x-axis, x prime axis, y prime axis, and this is called origin, O. This intersecting point is called origin, and the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Coordinate of origin is 0, 0, right? So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. All right? All right. That means I read the questions. I repeat the question. The pair of linear equation x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So this is the point. or the graph is passing. So this is the points his graph is passing, the intersecting point. This x is 0, which y is also 0. This is the intersecting point. So intersecting, how many points they intersect? They intersect exactly at 1 point. So the answer is 1 solution. 1 point, they intersect at 1 point. That means there is 1 solution. 1 solutions. The two graphs are intersect at a points. At the points, that points is called origin, and the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. So two graphs are intersect at a point. In this single point, the unique solution. That's why it is a 1 solution. Okay. Now I'll start question number 44. I'm going to explain question number 44. Let me check if there is anyone who is newly joined. All right. I think everything is okay. Now, which number? Question number 44. System of equations. These are the two system of equations. I have already in the previous questions I have already explained. The system of equation has infinite numbers of solutions. If there is infinite numbers of solutions, if number 1, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Second condition, this is a, this is b, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. And third one, c, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So these are the three conditions. So the question, the system of equation has infinitely many solutions. This is how many solution? The intersecting line, 1 solution. 1 solution. That means when the lines are intersect at a point, that means 1 solution. This is what? This is a parallel. If there is a parallel, then that means no solution. No solution. Solution. And this one, no solution. And this one, if it is like this, that it has a infinite numbers of solutions, right? Infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. Many solution. If this condition is fulfilled, that means there are intersecting line intersect at a point, that means 1 solution. If this condition is fulfilled, that means they are parallel line. The parallel lines will never intersect with each other, so there will be no solution. Coincidence line, that means one line is above another line, so there is many points, infinitely many points they have in common intersecting, so it has a infinitely many solution. The question is the system of equation this and this has infinitely many solution. The option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Infinitely many solution. Infinitely many. If the question is asked no solution, then this would be the answer. If the question is asked 1 solution or unique solution, the A would be the answer. But here they ask, in the question itself, it asks infinitely many solution. That means this is the correct answer. All right. So 44 is completed. Now I'll start 45. 45 also similar. Check. Yeah, it is similar. 45. 45. We'll start question number 45. So read the question 45 carefully. Almost similar. 45. 45. 45. The system of equation, again, the system of equation has unique solution. Unique solution means one solution, or you can say that this is unique solution. So if this condition is fulfilled, then it is called unique solution. So the answer of question number 45 is A. Answer of question number 45 is A. The question asked unique solution. Unique solution A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by Y2. If the two general equations are given, then A1 by A2, when it is not equal to B1 by B2, that means lines are intersecting line, intersect at one point. So intersect at one point, that means there is one solution, that is called unique solution. Here answer is unique solution. Now question number 49. 49. Okay. Let me start question number 49. If x is equal to A and y is equal to B, 49. X equal to A, y equal to B, right? Then is the solutions of the equations. Two equations are given, x minus y equal to, and then x plus y equal 4. These are the two equations is given to you. Suppose supply to you. If we consider this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, then first we have to simplify this equation. Okay. After simplify, we will find the value of x and y. If I find the value of x, that means you will get the, what you have to find out? You have to find out the values of A and B respectively. So if you get the value of x, automatically A will come out. If we get the value of y, though, we will get the value of B. So by these two equations, this is two linear equations, we can easily find out. Okay. So what we have to do, by adding this equation, what we'll get? Let me check. If we add this equation, what we will get? Plus y minus y, they will cancel with each other. X plus x, that is 2x. If we're going to add here 4 plus 2, that is 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 by 2, that is x is equal to 3. Is okay? Now putting the value of x is equal to 3 in any of the equation, we'll get putting x is equal to 3. Is it okay? All right. Also, sound is clear. Is okay. All is clear. Okay, I think everything is going smoothly, so no problems. Now put the values of x either of these two equations. I will take the first equation, x minus y equals 2. Now put the value of x is equal to 3 minus y equal to minus 2. The minus y equal 2 minus 3. So if we multiply with a minus sign, then all right, what we're doing. Two minus 3, that is minus 1. So minus sign is there. So therefore y is equal to 1. Okay, y is equal to 1. X is equal to so x is equal to 3. That means x is equal to, if x is equal to 3 we got, that means a is equal to a. This implies a is equal to, that means a. And y we got what? Y we got 1. This implies b is equal to 1. So this is the value. Because we got the value of x, that is 3. X is 3, where we have written x is 3. So if x is 3, then a is also 3, because they are x equal to a. Okay. If y we got, y is 1, that means b equal to 1. So this is our questions. We have to find out value of a and b. So a is 3, b is B is 1. So which is the correct answer? Correct answer is B. B is the correct answer. 45 the answer B. 45 का answer होगा B. That is 3 and 1. This is the correct answer, right? 3 and 1. Is it clear? I hope it's clear. Little bit lengthy. It should not be the question for 1 mark. But anyway, what is the question is given? I have to give the answer. So it should be for 3 marks. It's not a suitable question for MCQ. But anyway, it is given. Your duty to solve. All right, we have completed 49. Then we'll proceed 50. Question number 50. Let's check. If question number 50, if k comma x is the solutions of the equation, one equation is given. Then the value of k options are A is -4, B is -3, C is 4, D is equal to 3. So these are the option, and the equation is 3x plus y minus 22 equal 0. And the if values is given 6k. That means this is the value of x, this is the value of y. Okay, these are the options. Now put the value of x is equal to 6 and y is equal to k in the given equations. Let me check. Then you have to, what you have to find out? You have to find out the value of k, right, from this equation. So 3, what is the value of x? X is given, that is 6 plus y. What is the value of y? Y is k, put the values, minus 22 equals 0. All right. Let me check. Okay, it's all right, I think. Now multiply. 3 6 are 18 plus k minus 22 equals 0. 18 minus 22 minus 4 plus k equal to 0. Then k, you have to find the value of k. So if we bring this if we take minus 4 this side, it will be plus. Therefore value of k is 4. 4 is given. Yeah, 4 is given. So this is the correct answer. Number C. Answer of question number 50 is C. So in this way I have completed up to 50. In my next video I'll start from question number 51, right? So before that, I would like to request all the students, please check my previous videos where I have completed up to 40. Then today in this video I have started from 41 to 50. In my next video I'll start from 51, that the question based from quadratic equations, right? This is one of the chapter, quadratic equations. From there, question number 15 onwards it is started. Okay, in my next video I'll start from question number 51. Till then, bye. See you in my next video. So once again, I would like to request to each and every students to get such type of video, you just subscribe my channel. The name of my channel is Mitra Sir. Thank you all.